What if I gain or lose weight after surgery? Will it mess up my results?
Great question. And it really depends on how much weight gain or loss that you have. If you're gaining and losing small increments of weight, it's probably no big deal. If you gain and then lose a large amount of weight, that is a setup that puts you in the category of a tummy tuck to start with, adding the volume of a baby and then removing it, or gaining a bunch of weight and then losing it. So you would stretch out your abdomen and then shrink. You shrink back down, your abdomen doesn't shrink all the way with you. And so it's possible with a large weight gain and loss that you would loosen things up, probably not to the point that you were loose before the surgery, but it may loosen it up some.